What if I told you apps will soon disappear? No Instagram, no Uber, no Swiggy, just one AI that does everything. For the last 15 years, apps ruled our phones, but now AI is about to replace them all. And this change will happen faster than you think. Think about it. Every task needs a different app. Food, one app. Cab, another app. Payments, another app. Too many apps. Too much friction. Now imagine this instead. You open one AI assistant and say, order biryani, book a cab, and pay the bill. No apps, no switching. Just conversation AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, and voice assistants are already doing this. Soon, you won't open a food app. The AI will talk to restaurants for you. You won't open travel apps. The AI will plan the trip. This is dangerous news for app-based companies. If AI controls access, apps become invisible. The brand you talk to will be the AI. But for creators and freelancers, this is gold. AI agents, AI automation, AI businesses. Those who learn AI today will replace jobs tomorrow. In the future, you won't scroll, you won't tap, you'll just talk. Apps changed the world once. AI is about to do it again. Follow this channel, because the future is already here.